Understanding low-carb, a new way of eating. This dietary approach has been transforming lives and reshaping the way we think about food and nutrition. The low-carb diet has gained immense popularity for its potential health benefits, particularly weight loss. People are turning to this diet to shed pounds and improve their overall health. It emphasizes reducing carbohydrate intake, found in sugary drinks, bread, and pasta, which are often staples in many diets but can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Instead, the focus shifts to consuming more protein and healthy fats, such as those found in grilled chicken, vegetables, mixed nuts, and avocados. These foods help keep you full and provide essential nutrients. By limiting carbs, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, burning fat for energy instead of glucose from carbs. This process can be a game changer for those looking to lose weight efficiently. This metabolic shift can lead to significant weight loss and improve blood sugar control, making it an appealing option for people with type 2 diabetes. Many have seen remarkable transformations. However, starting a low-carb diet requires careful consideration and a gradual approach to avoid potential side effects. Consulting with a nutritionist can help tailor the diet to your specific needs. It's essential to understand that drastically reducing carbs overnight can lead to initial side effects like fatigue, headaches, and constipation, often referred to as the keto flu. These symptoms can be discouraging but are usually temporary. These symptoms are usually temporary and subside as the body adapts to the new metabolic state. Staying hydrated and gradually adjusting your carb intake can help ease this transition, making the journey smoother and more sustainable. Taking it slow, gradually reducing carbs. Instead of eliminating all carbs at once, a gradual reduction is key to minimizing side effects and making the transition smoother. This method helps your body to slowly adapt to the new changes, reducing the risk of feeling overwhelmed. Start by cutting out sugary drinks, processed snacks, and other high-carb items that are easy to replace. Focus on eliminating refined grains, which offer minimal nutritional value and can spike your blood sugar levels. Instead, incorporate whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. These foods provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling full longer. As your body adjusts, you can gradually decrease your carb intake further, eventually reaching your desired level. Use tools like carb tracking apps and portion control to help manage your intake. This gradual approach allows your body to adapt to the changes without feeling deprived or experiencing extreme cravings. It also helps in maintaining a balanced diet. Remember, consistency is key when transitioning to a low-carb lifestyle. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Protein power, fueling your body right. Protein plays a crucial role in a low-carb diet, providing essential amino acids for building and repairing tissues. These amino acids are the building blocks of our muscles, skin, and other vital organs. It also aids in satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing the likelihood of overeating. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or reduce unhealthy snacking habits. Incorporate lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs into your meals to ensure adequate intake. These foods are not only rich in protein but also low in unhealthy fats, making them ideal for a balanced diet. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways, from boiled to scrambled, ensuring you never get bored of your protein options. Healthy fats are equally important in a low-carb diet, providing sustained energy and supporting various bodily functions. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your meals to reap their benefits. These fats help in the absorption of vitamins and minerals, ensuring your body gets the nutrients it needs. Olive oil in particular is known for its heart-healthy properties and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to main courses. Remember, a balanced intake of protein and healthy fats is essential for optimal health and well-being on a low-carb diet. By carefully selecting your food sources, you can enjoy delicious meals while maintaining your health goals. Section 4. Veggies are vibrant, embrace the rainbow. Vegetables are your best friends on a low-carb journey. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are naturally low in carbs and high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods and flavors to make your vegetable dishes exciting and enjoyable. Section 5. Listen to the experts. Your health is a priority. Before embarking on any significant dietary changes, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian, especially for beginners. They can assess your individual needs, health conditions, and provide personalized guidance to ensure a safe and effective transition to a low-carb lifestyle. They can also help you create a balanced meal plan, address any concerns, and monitor your progress along the way. Remember, your health is a priority, and seeking professional advice is always recommended before making significant dietary changes.